Now, let's come over and have a look at gold this morning. I'll do NG afterwards. So GC's pushed on up, and all that means is off the low we saw here last week, we've got an A up to here, B hit the top of the target box, leading diagonal 1, 2, and I think the 3's there at the 2.0, an A, B, C for an expanded flat, and then we've pushed on up here. We're right towards the edge of where I want to see it for the fall. We've hit this 786 top down fib of this local subwave in the 15-minute chart. We've hit the 2786 bottom up fib for the C wave projections. So that all fits together beautifully. And then if I come up the time zones, you can see here we're at this 764 here on the hourly chart. And if I come and look at the 4-hour chart, which is probably the best one to use for the roadmap here, then you can see with the 4 can come a little higher. Okay, at this degree of 4, it can come all the way up to 1236 if it wants to. So this could be an A, B, C. And again, a 4 at this degree of trend after this move this is a bit quick. So it wouldn't surprise me to see that, and we come into the top end of this, but with a bit more mucking around first. So there's nothing in this. I know that everyone's probably paranoid about missing the move up in the metals and miners. Not at this point, I'm not. And if it's bottomed, guess what? We will deal with that when it's confirmed. Let's not join the people that are throwing money at the wall because they think they're going to retire off one move in the metals. It's really not going to happen. You need to approach it far more professionally than that. So that's what I've got in GC this morning. Day trading wise, we've popped over the blue line. We're coming back down below it. If you want to short it, here's your short entry right now with your stop at 1208.5. Or you can wait for a small 5 down, 3 back and try it then. I got stopped out of the short from yesterday overnight for a 2-point loss in GC.